Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring PixVerse AI, focusing on comprehensive guide to cinematic generation, viral video templates and real-time interactive video creation. Now before starting, we should understand what exactly is PixVerse. So, think of PixVerse as an automated director. It is an advanced AI video generator that allow you to create high quality cinematic footage nearly from the scratch without needing physical cameras or editing software. You can generate scenes simply by typing a descriptive text prompt or by uploading a static image telling the AI how to animate it. Unlike complex VFX tools, it is built specifically for creators, combining professional grade realism with simple viral templates, making it ideal for both filmmakers and social media marketers. Now, we'll talk about the core AI capabilities of PixVerse AI. So, let's examine the core AI capabilities of the platform. First, it offers multi-shot cinematic control. You can generate complex sequence with multiple camera angles just by typing cut to next scene in your prompt. Second, it features real-time R1 environment which generate live interactive world from first person point of view where you can type command to actively navigate the space. The platform also handled fusion transition, allowing you to seamlessly blend subject onto completely new background or create smooth transition between two uploaded photographs. Finally, it includes a powerful video enhancement that utilizes AI to upscale videos to 4K resolution, intelligent extend footage, and automate camera movement. Now, we'll talk about a feature perfect audio sync. Pixverse isn't just a tool, it acts as a complete sound design studio. When you generate a cinematic scene, AI automatically analyzes these actions and layer in matching background, music and realistic sound effects. It also features perfect lip sync capabilities by uploading an image of a person or an avatar, typing a script and selecting a voice. The platform will generate the face with highly accurate lip syncing, breathing, and micro movement, turning a static photo into a talking presenter. Now, let's understand the interface because before we jump into the fun part and start generating videos, let's take a quick look at what this platform can actually do. I know it's tempting to skip straight to the practical demo, but understanding the feature is just important as clicking. Once you know the foundation, the actual creation part become a breeze. And now let's break it down. This is the home page or the interface which you will see after you log into PixVerse AI. In the sidebar, we have various options. We'll go through these one by one and we'll talk about the home page in few minutes. Firstly, we'll be talking about the creations. In creation, you will see what you have created till now, like the videos, images, audios, and many apps, and what you have saved. So I have saved nothing till now, so it is showing nothing. Now talking about the agents. This workspace is designed to act as an interactive command center, allowing you to build, train, and direct character through simple text instructions. In the center, you will find the main prompt box. Here you can type the prompt and choose the model, image, like Queen image, GBT image 2, and so on. We have video option and then the scale option, and also we can upload from here. And if we don't want to write a prompt, we can go to start from templates. From here we can click try on and it will automatically show the prompt. From here we can choose any image, like if I want to use this image, I can select it and this is the product. Then this will automatically create the video. Now talking about the canvas. Here you can see create project. You can start a project from the scratch or from the inspirational plaza. You can choose any of these templates or the videos. Like if I click on this, firstly it will show me what this video is, and then if I go to get recipe, I get a mind map. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but it is actually just a giant visual mind map connecting the dots. Instead of traditional left to right video editing timeline, Canvas let you lay out your ideas on a massive board. You can use how a simple text box connect with a line to a reference photo, which then connects to the final generated video clip, like the image connected to the text and then further it is connected. So this layout let you experiment easily. You can take one starting image and draw three different line to text, three different AI models or prompts side by side to see which one looks best. It turns complex video production into a simple game of connecting the dots to build story. So now talking about the mini apps. Let's look at the mini app tab. Think of this page as a toolbox full of quick shortcuts. Instead of trying to write a long complicated prompt, you can just pick the app that does exactly what you need with one click. From here, we can choose try on and then the type of video we want to make. Now next to it is a marketing hub. From here, you can choose the business focus like it is e-commerce or the real estate, selling property. From here, we can start. So these are the some of the commercial videos which you can create. Now CLI. What is CLI? Next we have the CLI page, which stand for command line interface. This page is built specifically for tech savvy creators and programmers. Instead of clicking buttons on a website, this let you make video using code. If you look at the black box on the screen, you can see an example like it is writing something. The best part is that it plugs right into popular AI coding assistant like GitHub Copilot and Claude. This means developers can program their own AI agents to automatically generate image batches of viral content all on their own. Now, moving forward, we have posted option and subscription. Posted is what we have posted, like if we have created something, we have posted it or not. From here, if we can earn credit, subscribe, personal. These are the credits which I have left and so on. Now we'll talk about the home. From here, if we select image and text, we can describe what type of image or the video we want. If we same bro, I literally pressed run. Why is my laptop fighting? I was trying to create it, but I don't have the sufficient credit. So I can also create a audio like voice or the music. Like I can prompt like I can describe the song like the what is the mood instrument or something, and then I can paste the lyrics here. And now we go to video option like from referencing. I have these photos and upload 1 to 7 reference image to create video. For example, image 1 is hugging image 2. It is like something linking the images and it will create a video. From the templates, like we can choose any of the template. Yes, we can choose any of the template, and we can upload our image so the video will be created. Now transition, from here we can choose any of the photos. This will show the transition video and modify. If we have a video, we can tell what changes we want in that, and in the motion control, I have created a video like it was this, and so this was the video I created using template, and this was the video I also created using template. And the speech, we can write the character line or something, then it will be created into speech. And extend is if we have 5-second video, we can upload it here and give it a prompt to extend it further. From here we can choose the quality like the resolution 360p, 540 and so on, and also the duration, how many seconds video, or something like 15 second for 2 second, 3 second, and so on. And in the image, I have created an image this, and we can also see what prompt I had given for this. This was the prompt I have given, and this was the result. I can also retry it, like it will again make another image and so on. I can also download it, share or save, and if I will save it, then it will be huh, it will be shown here. So in this we try to understand the features more than performing the practical demo, because if we know the features well, we can easily perform the demo. So we wrap up this session. Thank you.